Good morning. Got a cat shield installed, but it's on a pretty cool car today. It's a brand new Prius, the 2023 model. This thing's really nice. Look at this thing. Kind of looks like a Tesla. Actually, I think it looks better than a Tesla. But let's hop inside and pull it into the shop. Well, it definitely smells like a new car. How do you turn this thing on? Wow. It's fancy. Pretty minimal. I like it. See this dash. Alright, let's get this in the shop and on the lift. Here's a look at the shield. It's pretty beefy compared to the older generation Prius cat shields. So let's look underneath the car and see where these things go. So looking underneath the vehicle here, you can see that the protector is going to fill this channel and block access to these two catalytic converters. So looking at the instructions, it looks like it bolts to here and here, whoops, and here, and then the rest is just rivets, kind of like the other cat shield. But it's gonna cover up basically this area, which is good because on this car, they can just unbolt the whole thing. Those two bolts, and then those two bolts right there. They'll just take it without even having to cut it. So anyway, let's get started. It comes with security bolts here for the front. It replaces the stock hardware. So it was at this point in the process we realized that something was wrong with the rivet gun. It wasn't pulling the rivets through and securing the cat shield up to the aluminum. So we decided to drill the rest of the holes on the next piece and then work on fixing that thing. And here we used the included self-tapping screws to hold it in place. It makes it easier to drill out the other holes, and then you can rivet those in. We then tried this like cheap Dorman rivet gun, and that was a big fail. I would not recommend using one of these. This thing failed after the first one. But after messing around with this Astro Tools one, we finally fixed it, and then it started working like normal, and we were able to get the rest of the rivets in. And that's that. After futzing around with those rivet tools, finally got them to work. And that's what it looks like. It's finished product. Looks pretty good, honestly. I think this could add some aerodynamics because it's super flat on the bottom. So that's that. Thanks for watching, guys. If your rivet tool's working properly, these are really easy to install. Just drill some holes, rivet it in, and then use some security bolts up in the front.